Xref Survey Builder allows you to create compliant best practice reference questionnaires, pulse or exit surveys in seconds. Choose from a template, copy an existing survey, or simply start from scratch. Surveys can be built and ready to send in as little as 30 seconds. Create different surveys depending on the person you want feedback from. Have confidence you'll ask the right questions for academic, character, or volunteer references, for example. Customize the survey with a library of best practice questions that cover organizational metrics, skills, and core competencies. Use categories to help you filter and select questions from the library, so that the survey can be tailored to a specific role or industry. Design your own custom questions with a wide variety of question types, like multiple choice, open text, or matrix style. Save custom questions to your library that can be used by you and your team in future surveys. And it's as simple as that. To learn how to create and send a reference check, watch our next video.